Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Hugo with Golden Renovation here, and I'm joining you guys live from Milpitas, California. We just completed a new general remodeling, front addition, rear addition, and full reconfiguration project, and we're happy to give you guys a special peek inside today. You'll get the chance to take a look at all the spaces, as well as hear from our homeowners, Sir Martin Smriti. Come on, let's take a look.
I found Golden View through Yelp. I looked at the reviews, consistently 5-star. So I reached out and that's how it's all started.
We got pretty much the entire house renovated, the bathrooms, kitchen. We also reconfigured the entire layout of the house, extended the house a bit in the front and even in the back, which has enhanced the quality of living. We also have a lot of space now to welcome and host our friends and family.
Hugo was always on top of things, working with the city, inspection, working with the contractors, subcontractors, all our vendors. He was always there on top, making sure things were delivered on time. He's extremely easy to work with, very receptive to feedback. So I highly recommend the service that Hugo and in general Golden View provide.
Our designer, we couldn't have been any happier. Her creativity, her attention to detail, and just her putting a personal touch in everything helped us make our home into our dream house.
Every step of the way, Golden View was there to make sure things got done right. So highly recommend Hugo and Golden View both.
Well guys, it's been Hugo with Golden Renovation. It was a pleasure to show you guys today into our new project and for you guys to hear about our homeowners experience. If you're looking to undergo a similar process in your home and you're not sure where to start, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.